Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dana and today's video is how to use a sprayer on furniture. Start with mixing your paint. This is a regular interior water-based paint. After sanding my pieces and cleaning them, I start using my primer. It's by Zinsser Cover Stain Primer. It is definitely oil-based. I let my prime dry for a few hours and I start preparing my sprayer. I'm using the Greco one, it called Magnum LTS 15 True Airless Sprayer. It is actually very easy to clean and it comes with a solution after you're done cleaning to protect it during storage. So here what I wanted to do is I wanted all that solution out, so I wanted to make sure there is nothing inside the sprayer, no paint, old paint, not that solution or water. So here I'm just making sure the drips that you see, it was not tight. So with this part, when you turn it around, you can and spray it, it will unclog your sprayer. After I was done cleaning the spray or just move that solution, now it's time to paint. Before we paint, we have to actually have paint in the sprayer gun. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the mode into a primer, turn the sprayer on and eject all the water. You will see there will come paint from the waste tube. Then after that, it's ready. Making sure the spray has paint inside it, we have to do the same process to the spray gun, and after that it will be ready finally to use it. There you go. Now it's done. Do you see this? Oh Lord. Yep. Now it is. There you go. I usually prepare my sprayer outside, not in the workshop, but I had to do it inside to record the video because it was raining. Here I'll be working on 3 pieces: queen size bed, headboard and footboard, nightstand, and 1 chest of drawer. I wasn't sure what's wrong with my sprayer. It was dripping a little bit. All the thing, it wasn't tight because there is a dry paint inside it from my previous project that I did a year ago. Seems like we really need to clean it really good before we store it. Here I want you to hear how loud it is, which is not that loud if you want to compare it to other spray guns. It's pretty okay, and I want you to see how fast you can finish one piece. Seems like when I used the roller, it was on some spots it was a little bit dry, so it left some kind of hair, I can say, or chunks of paint on my pieces. So this is what I will be picking. You see me like just picking stuff. So for the footboard, you know it has two sides. So I'm trying to do the second side or the inside of it. And I gave the rest of the piece a second coat and I protected everything with polyacrylic water base. I'm adding the redesign with Prima transfer a called Lovely script to the headboard and a small piece I used it on the chest of drawer and the nightstand so I can have something matching on the whole set. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions and everything. All the tools I use will be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.